Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to change website landing page fonts in Kajabi. If you're looking to give your landing pages a fresh, professional look that aligns with your brand, adjusting the fonts is a quick and effective way to do it. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, you'll need to open your Kajabi site by heading to your Kajabi login page and signing in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll have access to all the tools and features needed to customize your landing pages. Next, navigate to the left-hand menu where you'll find the website option, click on it, and an expanded menu will appear with several choices. From these options, select Landing Pages. This section houses all the landing pages you've created within your Kajabi account, making it easy to manage and edit them in one place. Now you'll see a list of all your landing pages. Browse through and locate the specific page where you want to adjust or change the font. Once you've found it, click on that page to open it. This will direct you straight to the landing page editor screen, where all the magic happens. On the left side of your screen, you'll notice the customization panel. This is your hub for adding objects and making design adjustments. At the top of this left panel, you'll see a settings tab. Go ahead and click on it to access the deeper customization options for your page. Under the settings menu, click on settings again, and from here you'll see an option named Style Guide. Click on it to open up the font customization settings. Scroll down until you find the body font and heading font options. These two settings control the typography for all the text content on your landing page. Under each of these options, you'll see a selector field labeled Family. This is where you can view and change the font for both your heading content and body content. Simply click on the drop-down to browse through the available font options and select the one that best matches your brand's aesthetic. Once you've selected your desired fonts for both headings and body text, click on Save to apply the changes. Your landing page will now reflect the new fonts, giving it a polished and cohesive look that resonates with your audience. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.